Why do K through 12 teachers need a certificate to teach, but professors in higher education institutions do not? Benjamin Franklin is credited with once stating, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn." This quote conveys the issue of lack of effective pedagogy use in higher education, as the purpose of my research is to study how professors who use effective pedagogies improve student success. When referring to effective pedagogies, they can be described as methods, activities, and interactions for teaching and learning in the classroom that lead to student success. However, when professors do not use effective pedagogies, students suffer. To prevent this, professors can be taught effective pedagogies to contribute to greater learning, leading to higher student engagement, graduation rates, and term-to-term persistence. Pedagogies K through 12 teachers learn during their certification program are focused on strategies, techniques, and approaches to guide learning. However, what professors focus on during their graduate program is research, and then they are allowed to teach in a classroom without proper training or learning effective pedagogies. A teaching certificate for K through 12 teachers means they have met all standards and requirements to teach in a particular state. This includes learning pedagogy, instructional theory, and learning psychology. If instructors were required to have a teaching certificate before they teach, then student success would increase. So the question lies, how does the use of effective pedagogies improve student success in college institutions? To study the impact of effective pedagogies on student success, we must understand how student success is defined in higher education. Student success refers to students accomplishing their educational goals and obtaining essential developmental skills, such as a sense of belonging and behaviors related to conscientiousness, responsibility, and hard work. When looking at a sample of 52 research measurements of student success from life sciences education, it is clear that student success is primarily measured by persistence, retention, and attrition. A professor who lacks knowledge and skill in teaching effective pedagogies contributes to a decrease in student success. This is why it is crucial to understand what makes a good professor when understanding this research. Teacher expertise refers to knowledge of content, pedagogy, and knowledge of pedagogy in their content area. In the view of the students, they expect professors to teach them in a meaningful, engaging manner. Professors who rely heavily on PowerPoint presentations, books, or lecture notes are more so criticized. If professors were required to utilize effective pedagogies in their classroom, then they would receive less criticism. In order to guide student success, college professors can become more effective teachers if they combine the importance of how students learn with their subject knowledge. Examples of effective pedagogies that can impact student success are active learning, experiential learning, and high-impact practices. Active learning is an approach that engages students with the course material through discussions, problem solving, case studies, and other methods that contribute to student success. This approach engages students in a way that promotes deep instead of surface-level learning. As time has also progressed, pedagogical research into the success of active learning shows an increase of test scores and self-efficiency when compared to conventional lecture format. Experiential learning is defined as learning from experience. When understanding experiential learning in the sense of impacting student success, it supports student persistence and retention rates. It further can play a major role in preparing students for entering a job after they graduate. High-impact practices are educational practices that increase student success. Examples include first-year seminars, undergraduate research, collaborative assignments, and projects. These examples show that effective pedagogies can contribute to student success. By means of higher graduation rates, student engagement, and term-to-term persistence, students can ultimately achieve more when their professors use pedagogies. Overall, I hope you have come to terms that professors learning effective pedagogies can be used to change students' lives. Thank you.